Here the topic is CSIR NET question. Here the question is, a silica particle of radius 0.1 micrometer is put in a container of water. T is equals to 300 degree Kelvin. Because of thermal energy, because of thermal fluctuation, the particle is not always at the bottom of the container. So let h be the height obtained by the particle. Let h be the height obtained by the particle due to thermal energy then E thermal is equals to 3/2 kBT. If h be the height obtained by the particle, then due to thermal energy, the E thermal is equals to 3/2 kBT. So the potential energy due to this height, can be written as, H can be written as this potential energy is equals to mgh, and this potential energy is equal to this thermal energy. This is kinetic energy. So this mgh is equal to 3/2 kBT. This potential energy is equal to this thermal energy. So h is equals to 3/2 kBT divided by mg. This m means 4/3 pi r cube rho. This is the mass of any substance. This mass of any substance, we can write it as volume into density. This is 4/3 pi r cube is volume and density is rho. So this equals to 3/2 into 1.38 into 10 to the power minus 23 joule per Kelvin. This is the value of Kb, is the Boltzmann constant. T is given, this is 300 Kelvin, divided by, this is 4/3, pi is 3.14 into pi cube into r cube. Here the r is given 0.1 micrometer. So this is 10 to the power minus 7. This is 10 to the power minus 7 whole cube into rho of silica. This is rho of silica. This is 2 into 10 cube into G means 9.8. This is the rho of silica. This is the silica. Here this is the problem with the pen. So this is the rho of silica. So the answer of this sum is 3 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter. Here the answer is 3 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter. Here the answer option B is the correct answer for this question. Here the average height of the particle above the base of the container, here h is this 3 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter. So if you have any query regarding this question, you can WhatsApp us or comment in the comment box. You can WhatsApp us in this number. This is 98367 93076. you can WhatsApp us in this number. This is 98367 93076. So that's all for today.